In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your sidebar with sections and share some helpful tips on how to make the most out of Slack. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to launch the Slack desktop app or simply open Slack in your browser. Once you've done that, make sure you're logged into your workspace. This is the canvas where we'll be arranging our sidebar to enhance productivity and make navigation easier. Now, to get started with organizing your sidebar, you'll need to access the sidebar settings. Just click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Preferences. In the Preferences menu, find and click on Sidebar. Here, you'll want to ensure that the option Organize your sidebar with sections is enabled. This feature allows us to group channels, direct messages, and apps into custom categories such as projects, team, or social. It's a really effective way to streamline your workflow. Once you've enabled the sidebar sections, it's time to create a new section. In your sidebar, hover over any channel or direct message of your choice and click the three dots or more actions. Then select Move to Section and choose Create a New Section. Give your section a meaningful name like marketing, clients, or personal, whatever suits your needs. With your new section created, the next step is to populate it with the right channels or messages. Simply drag and drop channels or direct messages into the section you've just created. Alternatively, you can right-click on a channel and select Move to Section for quick organization. Now, let's talk about customizing your sections. Click on the section name and choose Edit to make changes. Here, you can rename the section to something more fitting, collapse or expand it to temporarily hide channels, or delete it if it's no longer necessary. Finally, one of the great ways to keep your sidebar clean is to collapse sections you rarely use. This simple step reduces clutter and keeps your focus on the channels that are truly important at any given moment. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create a sleek, organized, and customized Slack sidebar that works efficiently for you. Organizing with sections is a wonderful way to keep everything under control and ensure that your communication is seamless and effective. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.